Good day everyone. In this video we will learn how to enable HDR on Windows 11. Now if you're using a laptop or a desktop, you should check the HDR because it will help the brighter, the cleaner display while streaming the videos. It is a must check and I would recommend you to check it right now on your PC. So just do a right click and then go to display settings, and once you're here, the third option will be HDR. You just need to click on that and see if you have this option, play streaming. I can see play streaming HDR videos supported, use HDR not supported. So I have this display one. If you have more than one display, you can select one by one and see if you have this option. You'll have the brighter, more vibrant picture for high dynamic range, games, videos and apps. This depends on your PC and display. So once I turn this on, I will have a better display compared to normal display. You can check that. And there is one more option, the battery option. See if you have this option and you can try optimize for image quality if you want to have it. And this is how you can check. Let me know in the comment section if you have done it and if you have the supported HDR. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.